Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the market for the next week. That means next Monday to Friday, and we are going to break down the support and resistance and trendline zones, and we will talk about each and every momentum or each and every strategies from fundamental sector and from technical sector. Okay, and as per you can see there, in current chart, gold is forming a bearish flag pattern, and I want to remove all of them. I want to remove all of them because we need to analyze the market from higher time frame to lower time frame as per our analysis style. We start our analysis with higher time frame to find out the market path or direction. Then we will find out our entry on lower time frame. That means H4 or H1 time frame. As you can see there, after a long time bullish movement, market gives 2 weeks bearish movement. Okay, and after around 3 months bullish movement, continuous bullish movement, we got 2 bearish candle. Okay, that means 2 week bearish candle. And if I especially want to go for daily time frame, as you can see there, market given us a bullish breakout, bullish trend line breakout from around that particular area. Again, there is no retest, there is no pullback. Market just go up because of the United States dollar instability. There was a lot of issue like where issue and geopolitical tensions and central bank, Federal Reserve Bank's tariff or Federal Reserve Bank interest rate cutting issue. Okay, and this is the current scenario. And if I want to especially see for H4 time frame, okay, let's get back in H4 time frame. We may get a clear visibility over here. Let me remove daily time frames, all of the drawing. As you can see, there is a clear visibility for gold. And if I want to draw the possible support and resistance zone, also the trend line zones, okay, as you can see there, this is gonna be not be 100% perfect, but I will try to make all of this trend line and support and resistance on 100% perfect, because I need to draw very first in video, otherwise video will be much longer. And if I especially want to talk about our last week analysis, we took sell entry around 4,100 something around that particular area, and market what exactly drop around plus 2,000 pips, okay, from our last week analysis. So you may check our previous analysis also, and we are sharing a lot of analysis in our Telegram channel daily. That could be fundamental, and that can be technical analysis. You may check our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. Okay, and as you can see there was a bearish pullback over there, and bearish breakout over there. Then it just give us a pullback, then it just trying to go down, and right now it just want to take a little bit correction. And what can be happen in next time, so we have to find out that. Okay, in H4 time frame, as you can see, there is a trend line breakout, trend line formed, and it's just trying to go down. Okay, and we will find out our entry in H1 time frame, because H1 will works more for us as per we are swing or scalping traders. Okay, in H1 time frame, as you can see there is a trend line formed over there, this particular area. Okay, and there is a bearish movement. And as I said the start of the video, like that, there is a flag pattern format in that particular area. Okay, so for each one time frame, there is possible scenario that will go till that particular area, and after you get a candle confirmation, that means sell confirmation, like there and there. Okay, it can be pin buy confirmation, it can be price action confirmation, it can be scalping confirmation, then you can consider a sell entry from there. Okay, and there is some logic to go sell. Okay, I want to consider them. Number one, China and US already signed a tariff related issue. That means Chinese president and Donald Trump just completed a meeting in last week, and they really want to be business with each other. So the US government, Donald Trump, just reduced 10% tariff, okay, for China. So there is this is a sign of financial stability. That means financial stability coming for every country, so market can be go down for that. And there is also issue was Russia Ukraine. Okay, that issue is under meeting or under consultation, so that can be cool down a little bit more, and that will impact directly on the market. That means market will be more stable. So the more peace commitment or the more peace agreement comes means gold will go down, because peace coming means United States dollar will go stronger and negative pressure for gold. So you have to consider that issue also. If there is any wire related issue like wire increase mean gold increase, because when a wire happen, it can be happen a huge pressure on the United States dollar. That means gold is going up. Okay, and if there is peace, that means where nowhere or where reduce or peace increase, that means gold is going down, because in that case United States dollar get more stability and gold is going down. You have to keep your concern those two things also. So let's check some few possible movement for gold. So I want to try the support and resistance zone first. As you can see, there is a support zone formed. Okay, there is a resistance zone formed, and that means here is support become resistance zone. As you can see, there it's just trying to follow that zone, and there is a possible to go possible another movement from there. So you can consider a sell entry over there after a candle confirmation. That means if you see the previous candles movement, there is a pin bar confirmation to go sell, there is also a confirmation, there is breakout confirmation to go sell. So you have to consider all of them while you want to take entry. Okay, if you have to support or resistance confirmation to go buy or sell, then you have to wait for candle confirmation, and that's called Mr. Boom double confirmation. Okay, and if I want to see the Fibonacci, I will try Fibonacci later, and let me draw the trend line zones here. And if I want to draw another trend line for each one, okay, there can be a as you can see, let me draw a flag over here. There is a flag pattern trying to form. Okay, trying to form. So this is a formation of bearish flag pattern. Okay, bearish flag pattern. So we have to sell near around the trend line zone. So we have to wait till the trend line zone, and another scenario is happening there. Let me make it perfect for now. As you can see, there is going to another scenario. That means this particular area is key zone or prime zone. If it give us a bullish breakout, then we can consider for buy, and if it give us a bearish breakout, then we can consider for sell. And obviously is after the candle confirmation. Okay, and there can be any news comes in the market anytime, so you have to be careful about that, and you have to keep your eyes on Twitter or X or Truth Social. You can keep your eyes X, Truth Social. Okay, and also news site like Bloomberg's, then CNN. Okay, you can keep your eyes, or if you don't have time to keep your eyes, or you can't maintain all of them, you just can check our video description box, go to our Telegram channel. We're sharing there each and every important news update. Okay, and this is the current scenario for now, or this is the current scenario for gold. So let's get back for Fibonacci retracement. We need to try, or we need to draw our Fibonacci retracement from our latest high zone to low zone. Okay, and this is the current scenario. Okay, so as you can see there, we almost reached our Fibonacci retracement area over there. Okay, means this particular area, then we can consider sell till 3901 area. So this is the current scenario, and as you can see, this is not a perfect Fibonacci, but we can assume that. Okay, this is the perfect scenario. Okay, so let's remove this, and I wanna analyze something for scalpers. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why what we can expect for a scalper, that means for a 5-minute time frame trader or 15-minute time frame trader. As you can see there, I just selected 15-minute over here, and let me draw some trend line or support and resistance zone. That means possible support and resistance zone. This is that could be our trend line area. Okay, trend line zones or area, as you can see there. Okay, perfect now. And we can draw another upper trend over here, and this, as you can see there is a triangle pattern formed in that particular area. This is a triangle pattern, and there is a breakout, then pullback or retest, then it can trying to go down for 15-minute time frame, or it can go till that particular area, then it can go down. So you have to wait each and every moment for candle confirmation. And if I want to consider another area like that, same thing happening, there is also a triangle pattern formed. So we have to wait either bullish breakout, either bearish breakout, then we will wait for pullback, then we can take sell entry, pullback, then we can take buy entry. So this is the current scenario for now, and I hope all things is clear now. I just want to ensure you the current market situation or the current market position, and what we can do or what is the possible scenario can be happen there. So we don't want to share now any buy or sell entry, because we have to wait till the market opens. There can be a news comes before the market opens, so there can be a huge gap for the market, so we have to consider those issues also. So I hope all things is clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis or free fundamental analysis, that means news analysis, you may join our public telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.